Hello guys, welcome back. Check out this iPhone Z folding phone concept. Watch the complete video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest update.
Caviar, which is behind luxury products such as the USD 4500 iPhone Tesla that comes with its own solar charger, released a video on its concept. iPhone Z, named after the Z shape the device makes while it's being folded. According to a fully opened iPhone Z has 10.4 inches screen, putting it in iPad territory. It also boasts a 3876 resolution when unfolded, and the design it operates in several different modes. A selfie mode, where the triple camera setup is used in conjunction with one of the screen segment. A tablet mode, which is the phone completely open. And a laptop mode, where one screen is used as a keyboard and other as a display. And a screen mode that is used for watching videos while the phone is standing upon a flat surface. When folded up and being used like a standard smartphone, the screen has 20.9 aspect ratio. This switches to 3.2 when in tablet mode. Other features include a camera system consisting of three different 15 megapixel lenses, wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto camera. In display, Touch ID and possibly Face ID. And USB Type-C, being a Caviar product, there are also 19 diamonds hidden in the housing. Like all foldables, it's estimated that the iPhone Z won't come cheap. Caviar believes it would be priced at 2,900 euros or USD 3,262. It's only a concept of course, so the chances of ever seeing a real life version of this iPhone